Rejection is normal. Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Speak. Today I am going to talk about rejection. You know what? Rejection is as normal as everything else of our daily life task. But what happened? We never think about it and nobody teach us how to handle rejection. And we give it more weightage than it deserves. We give it more importance than it should be. And in most of the time when we get rejected we feel like it is happening only with us. Yeah, and it happens with everybody. Like everybody get rejected at least once in a time or once in a lifetime, but it is not just once, it could be many times in your life, in your every phase of your life, like in your childhood, in your adulthood, or in your teenagers. In every age you will feel rejected, you will get rejection, you will get rejection in every situation. But what happens, we never learn, we never uh, think about it, how to handle the situation when we get rejected, and nobody teaches us. So most of the time what everybody take decision after getting rejected is it could be a three type of decision what they take. Number one, they think okay, I accept it and I am just a loser. And the another thing what what people think after getting rejected, that okay, they rejected me, I will prove them that I am better than them or anybody else and they will regret one day. And the third thing, what people do, they think the word is wrong, the word is unfair to them, they are not safe place to live. They feel like they just blame the word or people that they are not fair to them. Sorry. It could be most of us are thinking here like okay, the second one is better, because here we are working on ourselves and we are just getting better. But that is not a good thing, that is also not a good choice. Because what happens if you are doing everything just to prove them to whom you wanted to prove that you are better and they don't care? Could you bear it that they don't care how much you get better or how much you achieve and whatever? Because most of the time want to what we think to prove them that they are wrong, we try to achieve something, we try to do good in career, and we try to get a good life, and we try to earn money, and by that we try to prove them that they are wrong, they are just regretting now, and they don't regret, then what you will do? And it could be another thing also, what if what you will do if they will achieve, they do better than you in their life? Could you bear that frustration at that time when they will be better than you or they don't care? No, nobody can tolerate that frustration, because that would be too frustrating. So here I'm going to talk about solution, because we knew about all the consequences and all the decisions what most of the people take. So the solution could be, you should do everything just for yourself, not for anybody else. Even though rejection is just normal, you should take it as normal as everything else, and don't take it so personal. If you get rejected by anybody, then just don't think about it, and also work on yourself, and just do everything just to satisfy yourself, not to anybody else, and it will be good for yourself, good for you, and also for your mental health and for everything. So accept rejection as normal as it is, and work on yourself and do everything just to satisfy yourself, not others. So today just it, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.